Welcome to Wharton County Junior College. This video will show you how to download and install Respondus Lockdown Browser for testing. To begin, go to your Google Chrome browser and open it. You will now access Blackboard by either going to the WCJC homepage, and down in the bottom right-hand corner you'll see Blackboard, or My WCJC. You can access Blackboard here. Or you can go directly to the Blackboard website at wcjc.blackboard.com. Once you're on the Blackboard homepage, you don't even need to log in. You just simply look here in the Featured Items box, and you'll see Respondus. Down at the bottom, you'll find a link that says Respondus Lockdown Browser Download. Click on this. Then you will click Install Now. You'll see the package downloading in the bottom left-hand corner. If you do not see it downloading here, you're probably not in Google Chrome, and you'll need to go to your Downloads folder. Once you see it download, click it. If you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. At this point, if it will not allow you to install, it says you do not have administrative rights. You will need to find the administrator to your computer and log in as them. Next, you'll choose your setup language, English. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Next. When it says it's completed, click Finish. Now, if you close out your browser and you look on your desktop, you'll see Lockdown Browser has been installed.